wanna play my DJ. I wanna rap. Play my blood clot DJ. I'm a shot selector boy. Boom! What's good, YouTube gang? You don't know what time it is. It's your boy Jambisco. Yeah, man. Yo, that mafia. See what we are dealing with tonight, man. Yo, I'm vibing. I'm rolling up a spliff. You know what I'm saying? And yo, I came across this dope ass video. Yeah, I actually saw a preview of this. It was coming on IG. You know what I'm saying? But I didn't know it was coming this soon, and I'm glad it's here. So shout out to KD Visuals. I guess he got a new series going called INFRONT THE BARZ, where different artists, you know, Jamaican and dancehall artists can come and break down their different bars, which I think is dope. Which bench should I have this in dancehall? You feel me? Something like Lyrical Lemonade, or you know them thing there. Yeah, man. So I'm glad. Yeah, I'm glad to see it. So shout out to KD Visuals, definitely bringing us some different content. You know what I'm saying? I think it's really dope, man. So gang, let me know what y'all think in the comment section if y'all like stuff like this. Yeah, man. And it seems I think this is the first episode. You know what I'm saying? And he got NAJEERIII. You know what I'm saying? If ever there was a more deserving DJ or artist need to be on something like INFRONT THE BARZ, it's definitely NAJEERIII. You know what I'm saying? He has one of the most most catchy, while most complicated or hard to understand on the first listen. Yeah, he has the most like catchy, but it's hard to understand, or I wouldn't say hard to understand, but it's like you hear what he's saying, but hard to like to catch on to, you know, which makes no sense. It's lyrics catchy, but it's hard to like catch the lyrics or recite them. You know what I'm saying? And a lot of time people are saying, yo, this is what it means, this is the verses, this is what it means. So if ever artists would need for the pun INFRONT THE BARZ, definitely NAJEERIII. You know what I'm saying? So shout out to KD Visual and shout out to NAJEERIII for making this happen. And I guess they break down the different bars, can tell you what the lyrics mean and all this. You know what I'm saying? And I think it's mad dope, man. So I gotta react to it. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know that mafia. Before we jump into it, make sure you say a code up, hit the like and subscribe button. You see me? If you're new, make sure you subscribe. And that mafia, you don't know, code up, do the right thing. I don't know, hit the like and subscribe. I don't know, code is life. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, I'm there vibing on the gang. You know what I'm saying? They are rolling out one little spliff, one thing, I build back. You see me? So I'm gonna watch this because I'm like, yo, this is a dope ass video I want to check out. I was gonna watch it by myself, but I'm like, yo, the gang probably want to see this too. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna watch it together and I'm gonna roll a spliff. I'm gonna take it in and just vibe out. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, you can chop it up with me in the comment section. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, let's not even hold the vibes, man. Let's check this out, man. It seems like a real interesting video and like a real dope concept. So shout out to KD Visuals again, man. Let's get it. NAJEERIII.
Mad. Very serious advice. No say after that big about like Baba chat they represent for INFRONT THE BARZ, man. They have to explain. Panton. Is it mad?
Okay, so you explaining Panton lyrics. Okay.
Idea forward from Panton. You see it? You're supposed to know Panton.
Panton. Gene and Panton. The only person charged in the alleged $3 billion fraud at Stocks and Securities Limited. SSL. Oh, blood clot. Claims she confessed because of an alleged offer from her former boss and the company's founder, Hugh Croskery. Oh, Gene and Panton. Bombok, the only person charged in the alleged $3 billion fraud at Stocks and Securities Limited. SSL. I didn't even know I didn't know anyone was charged. You know what I'm saying? So, okay. So, Panton is name of the Gene and Panton. So, shit. So, Panton is name after a big time scammer. Bombok, alright. The boy are smart, you know? Yeah, man. They knew nowadays artists. Yeah, man, they're smart. If y'all don't know, Stocks and Securities Limited or SSL, that's the person that robbed Bold for them $10 million US. You know what I'm saying? That's crazy. Allegedly, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, bigger than Panton, so from bigger than Panton, you know how to take place. After that. Hey, President! Never.
He said, Bob, bigger than Panton. If Panton had $3 billion, bro, Bob, easy, bro. Where are you?
Hey, Bob, you're supposed to know. Bob, I know a fictional character again. Bob. Banco Santander, my God, my rap junker, top pack, gears got the Glock, the shop man, no box are square. Banco Santander, a Spanish bank. A bank will facilitate Mexican people, so From a mention a bank of facilitate Mexican people. You know? Mad. You see it, my God, me at
Baba chop from all different countries, you know what I'm saying? With the bank them personally.
Junk attack Pangays, junk attack Alistair. Yeah, that friend, no Bob friend.
I've been broke down that for y'all, you know what I'm saying? Y'all should have been know that. You know
Yeah, see Bob, see Ali. You see it, Ali down from Skull to 2 years it, but today, you know, different beats. You see it, Zaya target a fly for socks and shot. Mad. Got the Glock for shot one, no box are square.
I already broke down this for y'all. You don't know box. You know what I'm saying? We have a Glock. No box. We not Glock for shot man, no box and square. You don't know in Jamaica all of for box man. You know what I'm saying? When man say we don't have time for boxing man, we have a Glock for shot them. You see me? No box, no square thing. You know what I'm saying? Get it? Play on words.
So no, look on this and feel so me have a Glock put down that one part. You know a song me sing, you see it? But got the Glock for shot man. In a box and square. That I know I do for sure. In a box people not square. Cause we got the Glock shot man. Is it? I'm mad. Not the Almy, not Bob, no laps pan dates. Almy not laps and dates them run a circle. But me no laps pan dates. Is it? But that name double entendre. Is it? Yeah, we full of them there. Is it? Mad. So the bank for hack logs and up pan chase handicap. That's called have one chair come from the Bronx Blanco chap from stage so and cash the bat. Ask a contact name gunshot for fags and the man that's waste. You see it? All fags and waste man get gunshot. You see it? Not from me though. You see it, but them get gunshot.
Yeah that. All of them. You see me? Straight. You know what I'm saying? Yeah man, you don't know. Yeah man. Straight from Bob himself.
Big rababa, big ada, pantan, bimada, bad that, bitch up, bad gal in a van, chop up, see that and knock that, gal get up, trash, fata, last cash. Yo, one of the most controversial topic them ever podcast in the lyrics are lashes. I don't know how I win, but is it? Lashes are bugs, is it? You know? Yeah, mad. You know, one chap Bob see that and not that. Yeah, man, self-explanatory, man. Is it for hear that you know what take place in a chap? Senegal skiller than clap, girl, see Bob and jab, jazz kicker than sax, man, sicker than Pax and Richard and Rothschild, liver got bother with the liquor that baptized. Senegal skiller than clap. Clap, here again clap, Liverpool coach. Back in the days, baller. Is it? Senegal, skiller than them, man. Is it? Kabab. After that, is it? Girl, see my man, just kick out that socks. You see it, so? You see it? Bro, socks the closer to you going in that. Because when you just zap before that, you know, gosh. You see it? You know what take place. You see it, man, sicker than Pax, Richard and Rothschild, liver gun, bother the liquor that baptized. Everybody's supposed to know Rothschild family. You see it? Richard and Will.
You don't know the Rothschild family, everybody should know the Rothschild family. You know what I'm saying? You don't know. Like people in control. You know, most of the bank, like the Rothschild family is a wealthy Ashkenazi Jewish family, originally from Frankfurt, that rose to prominence with Mayor Amschel Rothschild, a code factor to the German landgraves of Hesse-Kassel in the Free City of Frankfurt. Holy Roman Empire will establish its banking business in 1976. So, like I was saying, the Rothschild family is a big family that basically created the modern banking system, which we all know today. You know?
Is it? Rich and wealth. So alone rich and wealth free, man. River patch lungs blacker than tall, some brothers and bobs just swallow up bars that you want for. Grab a rock card, and tap a tap, man's goes fall up and gone. A liver patch lungs blacker than tall, you know what I'm saying? Is it? Liver patch lungs black, you know what I'm saying? Is it? When brothers and bobs just swallow bob. Just swallow bob. Yeah, that's all about bars. So I fuck grab a cat. Yo, my dog name grab me now. I don't want to feel me a single. My friend them are doing a crime. My friend them are on a criminal charge. You see it? You know, I just vibes. You see it? Big fat crown foot, Cadillac cars, I'm a drifter, tone, fires and sparks, I'm a rich pack code, tired up park. Bro, just buy a Jaguar. Big fat crown, you see it from small to now, so big fat crown, you see it. So I don't know about Cadillac, so fuck Cadillac cars. When niggas are here for right, she says she love me when I told her bitch she likes. Love be a catfish, I know that bitch is cat. I said, beauty then it's mad, I told her in the can. Alright, them girls now. Can't just know man one day and even know man for no I say I want to tell man say love man. You know about love. You see it so. I tell a bitch, relax, you see it, yeah man, calm down, you see it, yeah dog.
Calm down, you mean? That's what I would be on, yo, calm down, you someone, Bill. That doesn't mean you're not play down to take, you know what I'm saying? You capping, let's chill.
Don't rush, slow touch, you see it, mad. I know that bitch is cap, don't be a catfish, I know that bitch is cap, you see it. Them gyal dog put on all of this and one bag of catfishing on the media ad. You see it so? No it's a bitch cap so please don't be a catfish. Hello, I'm gonna throw that in the ditch. TBT got your bitches doing throwbacks in a whip. Outside with the switches clip, we throw that in the
TBT, we got your bitches going throwbacks in the whip. To be truthful, we got your bitches in here throwing that nothing, nigga.
These bitches really, you know, I'm feeling rich. Alright, TBT throwback Thursday. So you know, say yo, Alpha on a Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. And we get a, you know, throwback now. You see it? Mad. These bitches really, you know, I'm feeling rich. You see it? We've been a few literal broke like dog. Well, you see it? The rich adults are madness. Big Panton. INFRONT the BARZ. KD visuals, man. For the see if you see the voice now, say, I can't that big. I'm like, Baba chat. Madness.
I can't. King. INFRONT the BARZ. You done already? Hey, it wasn't bad. I thought it was a bit longer than that. But yeah, man, that was mad dope. KD visuals. Big up your damn self, youth. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Real dope video. Real dope concept, real dope idea. They've been needed this in dancehall, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. I enjoyed it a lot. You know what I'm saying? Can't wait to see who else you gonna have on this, KD. You know what I'm saying? Who else you gonna have on this shit, man? Let us know, man. Gang, go over there, go watch the video. If you like, you could go check out the video directly. Show the creators some love and support. Man, you know, say Dan Mafia and Jambisco send you. You don't know, let them know we're strong over here, man. And ask them, man, yo, what artists we gonna see next on INFRONT the BARZ? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Which artist you think should be next? You feel me? Which artist out here right now where you say Roger Wild? Roger Wild should be next? Or who you think should be the next artist by INFRONT the BARZ? You know, we think of some mad leaks right now. You need things to need some breaking down. Alright? Let me I think. Where's a Craft? Craft. Marksman, Mali. Yeah, man. We have no artists out there, man. We want to blow up. I try to think. Skilly. You know what I'm saying? Who won on INFRONT the BARZ? Let me know in the comment section what artists you want to see next on INFRONT the BARZ, man. You know what I'm saying? Go over there, go show the creators some of us work and ask them, yo, who's next? You know, next on the list. And also make sure you subscribe if you want. Subscribe and like if you want more videos like this. You don't know, we got the bangers and we're going to keep them coming. Also, make sure you go and join the Discord, man. The link in the description. Our Discord server is live. Go join the Discord. We'll lead over there, man. Be a dope ass, be a dope post. We got previews and all that, man. So make sure you go over there. I'm going to Discord right now. You know what I'm saying? So make sure you go over to Discord and join, man. Become part of the family. We're lit. Shout out to everybody that's already joined. Remember, you can send me videos directly, message me directly. You're gonna get video ideas, updates, previews, all that good stuff. So make sure you become part of the Discord, gang. You don't know. Boy, Jambisco is back with another video. Till next time, guys. Take care of yourself and each other. You don't know? I'm out.